objective for this new TVC to continue the journey that we started with the first special hearing test and now with a special test room. The way we decided to do it is through a candid camera.
The idea was very challenging. We managed to create real-life situations inside an Amplifon store.
Prego, signora, si metta pure comoda.
La poltrona rossa è per me?
Certo.
So that people could literally walk away from the audiologist's room into another room that is actually one of the places that they love, one of the places that they recognize.
Ma casa mia? Ma come avete fatto?
We need to make it bigger. We need to get more, like open the scale of the project.
There was no Amplifon store big enough. We had to invent a new store.
First of all, we need to find a space that is credible and reconstruct a store.
La location deve avere delle caratteristiche di dimensioni, di esposizione di luce e di vetrate che ci permettono di ricreare il nostro negozio Amplifon.
Each room of the software has been recreated exactly as they are in real life.
La difficoltà sta nel ricreare poi gli ambienti personali e nella ricerca dettagliata degli oggetti che noi andavamo a mettere all'interno dei nostri ambienti. Si è cercato di dare un'atmosfera che una persona che entrava doveva avere la sensazione di entrare nella propria casa.
Mamma mia, è stupendo! Da lì è pazzesco.
E quella è una cosa abbastanza divertente perché quando hai trovato l'oggetto ti senti un campione. L'oggettino diventa quasi maniacale.
We brought the loved ones because, of course, when they enter the rooms, it's not just a room.
Adesso che mi senti meglio, vorrei cantarti una canzone.
They also find their loved ones and they start doing something together that is connected to hearing, which is revolutionary for them.
Tra di noi c'è qualcosa di importante che ci tiene insieme se non siamo insieme.
I love working with real people instead of actors because a lot of times the things that they do and say, you wouldn't be able to script it. These are a lot of fun to do, but they're a lot of stress.
In this particular scenario, there's a lot of cameras. Probably the most cameras I've worked with. It's always a challenge to light something and not give the game away that someone's being filmed.
It was a nice process, and it was very nice on a production level to build the campaign.
It's a wrap!